How you doing, guys? It's Mr. Vent here. It's so good to see all of you. So I am waiting on some submissions for our project where we're singing a song for the first responders of our community. Now, some of you might be excited to try it, but you don't really know how. And so what I want to do is make a quick video to show you exactly how to do this. So you might have seen Mr. Vent's picture earlier where he's got this big old microphone and you're like, well, I don't have a microphone like that, so I can't do this. Well, I promise you, if you have a phone or a tablet, which is how many of you are probably watching this right now, or even a computer, you probably have everything you need to record your own voice and send it to me, okay? So I'm gonna show you exactly how to do it, okay? So follow along. Step 1, headphones. Step 2, go to the link down below. It's Lean on Me, Sing Along. Step 3, follow the directions in the description. Listen to the song a few times to learn it. Record yourself while wearing those headphones. Use your phone's voice memo app. It might take you a few times to get your best version. Send your best recording file to Mr. Vent at WinchtonK12.org. Don't forget the K. Step 3, open your voice memos app. I've got this one. I just press that. Goes right to my voice memos, and you press record. That way, this is the file you're going to send me. So you go to the video and you sing along and send me this file. So then you record yourself singing, lean on me when you're not strong, and I'll be your friend. I'll help you carry on, for it won't be long till I'm gonna need somebody to lean on. To share the file, you just go to that recording. You can call it Lean on Me. And then press the 3 dots, share, go to your mailing message app and send to svendt at WinchtonK12.org. And that's all you gotta do. Send it, and I will add it, and I'm looking forward to hearing your submissions. If you have any questions about this process, please don't hesitate to ask. I would love to have as many submissions as I can by Friday, but if you're a little late, that's okay. I can squeeze them in, but I'd love to hear it. It would be awesome to have as many possible voices on this project as we can. Thank you so much, and have a wonderful day.